I'm going to give you a few tips on how to approach the post 5 for chapter 5. This posting or this question was in the other edition of the book, but I believe it was in a different chapter. So now we're going to do it in chapter 5, and it makes brief mention of this here in this chapter, but you have a lot of experience in order to reflect on this, and you can do some research as well. Here's the prompt. The author states that many standards-based curriculum states like Texas have low achievement on standardized tests. Explain this phenomenon. Now, when they're talking about low achievement on standardized tests, you might talk about SAT, ACT, standardized tests that are given nationwide. That's what's talked about in standardized tests, not state tests, but standardized tests that are given nationwide. You have, for teacher education, we have the Texas exam, but everywhere else, almost everywhere else, they have what's called the praxis exam. And they're very similar, but you can, since it's the same exam used by the majority of states, you can actually compare the results from state to state on which states do better than other states. And they say that many standards-based curriculum states like Texas, and Texas is one of the leaders, they're one of the first states that come up with this testing in order to graduate this testing and be able to promote it to the fourth grade promotion for graduation. And so Texas has been doing this for a long time, as well as others. What is the literature saying? And a little bit about your opinion as well. You might talk about demographics, you might talk about the way of teaching, you might talk about the drill and kill that we have in the schools many times. Maybe the quality of the teachers, of the curriculum, the textbooks, are there textbooks? You might talk about economic factors or whatever, but maybe some of these issues that lead to standards-based curriculum, maybe it's because they started out low on standardized tests to begin with, and they're trying to improve that. But are they really improving? That's the question. Well, good luck with this. If you have any questions, please give me a call.